If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. It's important to note that downloading videos from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms may violate their terms of service or copyright laws. This video is intended for educational purposes only, and viewers are encouraged to use any information provided responsibly and within the bounds of legality and ethical use. Be sure to respect the rights of content creators and obtain proper permissions before downloading or sharing any copyrighted material. The methods demonstrated in this video are meant for personal use only, and any misuse or illegal activity is strictly discouraged. By watching this video, you agree to assume all responsibility for your actions related to downloading and using online content. Proceed with caution and always adhere to the policies and guidelines of the platforms you interact with. Thank you for your understanding.